Hello, it's Naafi from Kaya AI. It's been a minute since our last demo, and today I'm really happy to share with you what we've been cooking behind the scenes. Right, so we've recently just released V3 of our speech recognition API. Across the board, it's supposed to be faster, and also we asked ourselves some really important questions, such as outside internal benchmarks, how our speech recognition systems would perform in real conversational context, right? So for instance, how sometimes when we speak our local languages, we sometimes chip in a few English words or phrases, right? Yeah. So we wanted to see how well our systems would handle this subject of code switching, right? So as usual for demonstration purposes, I'll be testing my native language, Dagbani. So we can just head right over to the speech recognition tab on our Kaya Studio, right? So we make sure to select the right language. So in our case, Dagbani, and make sure that the right version of the API has been set. And of course, there are two ways you can interact with this particular interface, right? You can either choose to upload a pre-recorded audio file, or you can choose to do everything live and then transcribe. You can try to record something live. So I'll just record a sentence in Dagbani, code switch with like some English words. Right. So here goes. So, malala some very generous free tiers. Then so you knew for come malala the opportunity to interact with the system. Right. So let's transcribe, see how well the system did. Right. So it looks like the system did a really, really good job with this one too. And for those who perhaps do not speak Dagbani, I'm basically just letting you know that we've got some really generous free tiers on the platform, and this gives like each and every one of you the opportunity to interact with the system, right? With that being said, do not hesitate to head right over to studio.kaya.ai. You can check the list of supported languages, see if your native language is supported, then you can give it a try. I hope this demo was interesting. And until then, goodbye for now.